In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Page ID Notion tutorial. If you've ever connected Notion to an integration, automation, or custom script, you've probably been asked for a Page ID. The good news is, you don't need any special tools to find it. It's right in the page's URL and you can grab it in just a few seconds. Start by opening the Notion page you're interested in, either in your browser or the desktop app. If you're in a browser, look up at the address bar. Notion page links usually look like your workspace domain, followed by the page title, and then a long string of letters and numbers at the very end. That long string is the page ID. It's a unique identifier that Notion uses behind the scenes, and most services ask for exactly that piece. You're looking for a 32-character string at the end of the URL. Sometimes Notion shows that string with dashes, sometimes without. If you see dashes, don't worry. Many tools accept the dashed version. If a tool wants the clean 32 characters with no dashes, just remove the hyphens and you're set. Also, if your link has anything after a question mark, like view filters or parameters, ignore that part. Focus on the final long alphanumeric block right before any question mark. To copy it quickly, click once into the address bar, then select just the trailing portion that contains the ID. You can drag your mouse to highlight only that part, or use keyboard shortcuts to select the end of the link. Copy it to your clipboard, and that's your Notion page ID. If you're in the desktop app, open the Share menu, copy the page link, paste it somewhere like a Notes app, and then grab the same 32-character string from the end of that link. A quick check. If the ID looks like a long mix of numbers and letters, typically using only a through F for letters, you've got the right thing. If you accidentally include the page title or any extra characters, trim it down so you're left with just that unique identifier, and that's really all there is to it. Open the page, find the URL, locate the long 32-character string at the end, and copy it. Keep it handy for your integration or automation, and you'll be ready to go. Thanks for watching, and happy building with Notion.